Alright guys, quick boost, week 2, day number 5. What I wanted to share though was the benefits that come with networking, fitness networking. There's always other people out there who are looking for, if not the same, then similar things that you are. And so that's a beautiful time to network. How many people do you know could use this program? How many people do you know have said the same things that you have in the past as far as not having enough time or not knowing what to do, blah, 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 blah. Find other people who are kind of along the same path as you. Not too far ahead, not too far behind. You'll be surprised though, the more that you network and talk fitness with other people, have something to share with other people. Hey, I'm in the middle of the second week doing this fitness handbook, trying to build a routine. And from there, these conversation starters can cultivate organic relationships with other people, other like-minded people that share the same goal as you, that you can also team up and partner with as well. Okay, so just want to encourage you with that. I will see you tomorrow. We're going to be stretching out our abs. Day 6, week 2. I'll see you then. Have a good one.